Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Ruthdy Organics with another natural medicine. This one today is just a leaf that is very good for us. We don't know. The leaf is just around us, you pass, you see it, but you don't know the health benefit. So today I want to tell you the health benefit of this leaf, especially in the treatment of hepatitis B and C. My main focus is treatment for hepatitis B and C, but there are other health benefits of the leaf which I will still tell you, but our focus for today is hepatitis B and C. So before I tell you people, please make sure you subscribe to my channel, like it and share it to others. Yeah, and also turn on your notification button so you'll be notified anytime I come up again with another treatment. Okay, welcome back. So as I said earlier, our focus is hepatitis B and C. So just look at this leaf. The common name for the leaf is stonebreaker. Yeah, that's how so many people call it, stonebreaker. Yeah, but the botanical name is Pyllanthus Amarus. Pyllanthus Amarus, that's the botanical name for this leaf. So the leaves, it has these small balls at the end. Yeah, look at the balls. There are small balls at the end of the leaf. It doesn't grow so tall because this. Okay, so the leaf doesn't grow too tall. It's not a tall leaf because if you see, these are the roots. I just uprooted this one, so that's the height of it. It doesn't grow so tall. Just look around your environment, you see the leaf. So this leaf, how are we going to use it to treat hepatitis B? All of us know hepatitis B is a liver disease. It's something that damages the liver. Yeah, hepatitis B damage your liver until most people, some people they even die because of hepatitis B when it has gone so chronic. So if you go to the hospital and you are being diagnosed of hepatitis B, just find your way. Go around anywhere that you see there is grass are growing there. Go there and look for this leaf, and it will be of benefit to you if you have it in good quantity. Yes, you just get the leaf. The amount is just a handful for 1 liter of water. You take a handful, you get the leaves, a handful of it, you put inside 1 liter of water. If you like, you can just squeeze and drink the water. If you don't want to squeeze, to boil inside a pot and drink 1 glass in the morning, 1 glass in the evening. It cures hepatitis B within, even though the duration of treatment will depend on how the disease has eaten you already, but at least 1 month. If you drink it continuously every day in the morning and every day in the evening for 1 month, you go back for tests to check the viral load, you see that it must have reduced drastically. Yeah, but some people after that 1 month they are cured. It means that really the disease had not eaten them so deep. But if yours is a chronic one, you see the viral load must have reduced. Then now you continue drinking for at least 2 months. Yes, it will cure you from hepatitis B. Then also take your supplements, because there are supplements for hepatitis B, liver supplements, so that it will, especially those to boost your immune system, so that it will facilitate the treatment of this leaf. Don't just sit down, no, I'm taking only this leaf. It will facilitate the treatment, because me, I'm treating people from hepatitis B. I use this leaf, but I add other things. Yeah, but only this leaf cures. So if I want my treatment to be very effective, I have other small things like supplements that I'll add into the treatment for fast and effective healing. So all those suffering from hepatitis B, look no more, suffer no more. Don't stress yourself too much, because there is treatment for hepatitis B. Yes, there is treatment, not treatment, cure. There is cure for hepatitis B. This is it. We call it Pyllanthus Amarus, or you can call it stonebreaker. That's the name that so many people know of it. So as I said earlier, that it does not treat only hepatitis B. It has other health benefits. Yeah, like this kidney stone, or we call it gallstone, like when you go to the hospital, you are being diagnosed of kidney stones, you have gallbladder, all those stones inside your stomach. Boil this leaf and drink. It will cure you. Yes, it cures, or it removes those stones. When you drink it, this one you can drink it for 2 weeks. You see, you'll be going to the toilet all the time to urinate. It washes away those stones from your system. It detoxifies your liver. Our liver, if you want the health of your liver, make sure you always take this leaf, because it detoxifies the liver and also cleans the liver. It is also good for fever, malaria, typhoid. If you are sick of malaria, typhoid, you take this leaf. It cures malaria and typhoid. It helps you to balance your sugar level. It brings down blood pressure. So many things. In short, the leaf is just so good. It's God's gift to mankind. So thank you guys for watching this video, and I'll still repeat it again, though I said it earlier. Subscribe so you get other natural medicines that I post every day. Yeah, thank you guys so much. Thank you. Goodbye.